Michelle here. Do you want to discover a vision for your ideal self? Well, I have it right here. But first of all, we must ditch the distractions, define our priorities, and deepen our relationships to set ourselves up to achieve those visions. Why a vision, you ask? Well, because when life gets tough, when we get sick, when work gets in the way, unexpected financial hardship hits, our partner, children, boss, parents need us, we will run to their rescue and quickly forget about our own goals, our own priorities, and our own visions. When we have our vision set front and center, then we can help those who need it without sacrificing our needs, desires, and plans. So, does that make sense? Because how many times have you set a goal and then life throws in a huge wrench to your amazing plans? And how many of you are actually able to, one, remember that you had a vision or plan, and then two, were able to get back on track? Well, me too. I mean, I have countless examples of starting out and never finishing. Then I found the answer. Yeah, I did. It's having a strong vision and keeping it front and center. So if this is you, then set up a quick call with me and we can see if you're a good fit for my coaching program called the Permanent Wellness Fix. I help busy executive women who have yo-yo dieted for years to finally achieve the body of their dreams and to live the life they deserve. In this coaching program, not only do I include fitness, nutrition, stress management, sleep deprivation, hormone issues, bloat, and productivity. It's an all-inclusive program that holds you accountable, educates you, and you, at the end of it, will become a different person and live the life of your dreams. Click on the link below.